Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2019 Volvo S90? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2019 Volvo S90 protects and distributes power to key engine-related electrical components like the cooling fan, ignition system, and fuel pump. It helps prevent electrical overloads and ensures safe, reliable vehicle operation. Fuse box under the glove compartment. The fuses under the glove compartment in the 2019 Volvo S90 control functions related to the cabin, such as interior lighting, infotainment, climate control, and power outlets. They help manage and protect the electronics used by passengers. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2019 Volvo S90 powers and protects components like the power tailgate, rear window defroster, trailer module, and rear seat functions. It ensures safe operation of rear electrical systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.